Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So I have purchased stuff from the Daily Grind yet again. So we're going to be unboxing, opening, and doing all the things together. So I did buy a new cover, which is called Chic Mama. I ended up buying the deluxe dividers instead of the ones that are assigned to that planner. And I already have a Daily Grind that I'm using. This one is called the Golden Goddess. So I have July, August, September, and October in here. And then November, December, and January will be in my new planner. So I did end up buying some of the new things that they have, but I also ended up buying a refill of 4 months because obviously 4 months is simply not enough for me. So I'm going to be using this. Next year, I might be using this a lot more than I am this year. That might become a replacement for some of my planners. I'm not sure because I've been using this planner slightly differently than normally. So it still might just become like my goal planner with a purpose. So we shall see. I'm not sure. I also purchased their stickers and their 40-month calendar, 40-page monthly calendar. I don't know what I'm talking to you guys. So this Chic Mama cover comes with gray plastic discs. So let's go ahead and do that together. I'm gonna open it. All of the covers, oh my goodness, I think my cover is broken. Okay, there's a little piece missing. Do you guys see that? It's okay. I'll contact Daily Grind and hopefully they can rectify it. But yeah, let's put the discs on and still put all of this stuff in here and hopefully that will work. So I'm going to go ahead and slide on all the discs. Yeah, the first one's not holding very well, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. So I'm going to be using some of these monthly pages and my Golden Goddess, and some of them will be in the Chic Mama, the ones that I'm not using currently. So I'll show you guys all of that. Okay, so almost done. If you're not familiar, the disc system actually allows you to put pages in and remove them, which is amazing, right? Because what notebook lets you remove pages and put them back in, unless you use like a clunky binder system, which I can't imagine myself doing anymore after discovering this. So I've been using this system for a very long time because of Lavender and their Circa collection. However, that collection is quite pricey, so I use them sparingly. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the dividers. So these are the deluxe ones. These are made almost like out of vinyl material. A New Era of Me. Then we have Small Steps Every Day. Be bold enough to dream and brave enough to try. That's the third one. So yeah, these dividers, again, they're vinyl. The only difference is that they're vinyl and they don't have pockets. So if you do prefer pockets, you probably will want to go with the other ones. I am not a pocket girl. I do not like to bulk up my planner. And yes, they always come with puffy stickers. As you can see, I don't use them, but they go in that little strip. Like on this one is gray, on the other one is gold. And yeah, I just don't use them. I did purchase the refill of the 4-month Daily Grind, but let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly because I am very intrigued by it and very excited, to be honest. Okay, so let's open this up. It is doodly as the other ones. So, okay, so you get 2 pages of this. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, you get 2 calendars each month. So January. Cool. Okay, I see how this works. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I am just looking to see August, September, because that's what I'm going to be using. But look at all the doodles. Like, it's going to be so fun to color this. Yes, it's going to make me feel like a little kid, but hey, sometimes you gotta unlock the inner child in you, right? But look at this. It's like all back to school. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be adorable. Can't wait. Okay, so let's just take a look. I think you get one extra page of calendar that's not assigned to any month. Yeah, look at my golden goddess. It is adorable, right? Okay, so January, I'll show you all the doodles. So it's very new year. You have these like doodles that are very new year. Then you get an empty 2 pages, so you can do like a brain dump. That's what I'm going to be doing. And then you get a month on 2 pages. Same thing with February. Look at that. Amazing, right? And then these big ones don't have as many doodles on them, so they're a little bit cleaner. I do like that a lot. Look at March with all the plants. Oh my gosh. Adorable. April showers. Very cute. Very cute. It's very springy. May, like flower power for sure. Cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Then you have June, which is very like beachy. You even have a little mermaid tail in there. July is summer, as big as it gets. It's beautiful. But yeah, these are undated, so you get to date them yourself. That's great. August, back to school. September is starting like fall look. Sweaters, leaves, tea. So adorable. Okay. So I'm going to pop them back. I'm going to pop them in my planner. So August is going to be the first month. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be using both of the pages or just one of them, like the calendars. So we shall see. I've not decided yet, but it's very interesting, right? So September. And October. And then those are the remaining months that I have in this planner. July is practically over, so I'm not going to be putting July in there. There's no sense in doing that because this one is fully functional. I still decorate it because I enjoy decorating it, but I'm not decorating it for any other reason. So I'm going to place all of the rest of them in here. I'm going to actually put November, December, January, and February in there. This like designated spots, but the rest of them are just going to be living in the back of this additional cover. And again, I do have a crack in it, so I'm going to contact a Daily Grind. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'm sure they're going to be fantastic as they do care about their customers. So, but we shall see. I'll keep you posted. Or if you have contacted them already for something similar, let me know because I would like to know how that went for you. Yeah, so we can compare notes, right? So yeah, you do get one blank calendar, like 1 month, so 4 pages. Yeah, so it'll be very interesting to see how that goes. And what can I use it for? It's probably for like a month that you're missing, but I don't know. I would probably miss the doodles, although you can decorate it with stickers and stuff like that, so it probably wouldn't be a big deal. I'm not sure. But yeah, I love the doodles. It is adorable. I am just grabbing small batches of pages and putting them in. And like I said, this is going to live here till November. So there's that. I did purchase both of the stickers. This is the Mood Collection. So one of them is doodles. One of them is like a system book. So we'll go over that. So let's start with these doodles. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable, you guys. So yeah, all of them give you the mood. So the first one is the Rockstar, I think. Oh yeah, and the cover is so nice. It's like vinyl-y. So the first one is the Rockstar. Life of a Party is the second one. Ray of Sunshine. Worldly Wanderer. Spiritual Siren. So yeah, initially when I was flipping through this, I did not see all of the names. Magical Motivator. I think I'm flipping too fast. Creative Queen. Big Dreamer. Pure Princess. Natural Beauty. Chic Mama, which is this planner that I just showed you guys. And then Golden Goddess is the one that I have. Okay, and that's the last page of that book. And now we can dive into the second one, which is a daily grind system book. And that one has a lot of function in it. All of these little strips also correspond to the moods, and they go into like the daily goals or the monthly goals. There's like a little line in all of them. This is where that would go. So again, you get 2 pages. One of them is those lines. The other one is quotes and stuff like that. And again, all of these corresponds to the moods. So take a look at the colors. They're so fun. This is how you can figure out which one's meant for you as well. Like this pink and green really appeals to me as well. This blue one, like look at all the shades of blue and teal. Amazing, right? So yeah. I'm sure a lot of you will like this pink purple one. I'm not a pink purple fan, so, or these dark colors. So it just depends on you and what you like. But yeah, these are amazing. And then, like I said, they're very functional. At least this book is. So you can decide which book you would prefer, whether it's more like icons and doodles or whether it's this functional one, or you can do like I did and buy both. So yeah, it's kind of cool. These have such a cool foil on them. It's like that vinyl foil looking thing on some of them, which is so cool. And then you get a couple extra pages with grateful and excited for, don't forget. So some prompts and headers and little page flags, and then you get workouts, self-care, to do, important, and so on. And again, those are in that cool, like almost embossed look. But that's all I had for you guys. I hope this helps you make decisions whether you want to give this system a try. I am not an affiliate or a rep or anything like that. I just enjoy this planner, and I am so glad you wanted to check out my video and spend some time with me. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.